Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harshwal working at Lexis and Company Law Firm as a junior associate. So we all know that Chief Justice or current Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud is so much basically pay so much attention to the young lawyers, young advocates, and to the judiciary as well. Time to time, he gives statement regarding to which is very helpful and which is very positive in nature also for the young lawyers and advocates, and not only for advocates, young advocates, but also a clear message for the seniors also, and for the judiciary and people at large also. So recently Chief Justice of India said that female lawyers, regarding female lawyers, he has given a statement that female lawyers are even more tech savvy than male lawyers. Why he said that? It is very interesting to understand for you. Why the presumption? He said that why the presumption that female lawyers will not get adjusted or are bad as at technology, right? D.Y. Chandrachud disapproves of plea to exempt female lawyers from e-filing, right? Basically a case was being filed before Supreme Court of India that disapprove, basically a plea was filed to exempt female lawyers from e-filing. So he said that it's not about male or female. Females lawyers are more tech savvy. Basically he said that to support, to give a mental support to the young female lawyers and young, or whether young advocates or old senior advocates, female advocates, regarding that. So that's how he time to time give statements or judgments in favor of the someone, and also gives a clear message to the society. So right, so that's all about our discussion. I hope you understood what I have discussed in this video. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.